Gentlemen, the Khasi Hills hold the key to our expansion. The terrain is difficult, sir, but the trade routes to Sylhet will be invaluable. Gentlemen, we must secure the northeast. Precisely, a road through Meghalaya, Bengal opens trade and gives us control. It is our duty. The Jemmet in the steppe or right east. The terrain is difficult at the Webri evidence. We shall proceed. A vein is grown. We are here to discuss terms for our lands. We propose fair trade for access to resources. Agreed. Our sovereignty is assured. We seek to avoid conflict and protect our lands. We offer protection and trade. Here are the terms. We agree to this deal. We will not yield to these invaders!
Advance! Cut off their supplies!
After years of betrayal, we declare war! Big Mortius! Avenge our honor! This is our land! Fight for it! Feel the sting! Gentlemen, the war in the jungle is futile. Tirot Singh's disguise is protected. We must announce a reward for his capture. Capture Tirot Sing. A reward for anyone who brings him in. I know his village. We will not yield! Fire! Destroy them all! Betrayed! They may chain my body, but they cannot chain the hills. I fought for our land, our freedom, our people.
Before the storm, there was silence. In the Khasi Hills of Meghalaya, an empire was advancing, and one man stood in its path. His name, U Tirot Sing, a chief, a guardian, and a warrior. When the British proposed a road through his land, they called it trade, he called it control. At first, he chose diplomacy. But betrayal changes everything. In 1829, he declared war. What followed was 4 years of relentless resistance. Forests became battlefields. Cliffs became fortresses. Spears faced muskets. Courage faced cannons. The empire burned villages, but it could not burn conviction. Hunted, surrounded, betrayed. In 1833, he was captured and exiled to a distant prison. On July 17, 1835, his body failed. He was only 33. But legends are not measured in years. They are measured in sacrifice. Today, in the hills of Meghalaya, his name still rises with the wind. U Tirot Sing did not defeat an empire. He did something greater. He proved it could be challenged. And sometimes, that is enough.